first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 3, Day 1. Listen carefully. I'm going to say 2 words. If the 2 words rhyme, clap your hands. Listen. Nice, rice. Nice and rice rhyme because they both end in the same sound. With the same sound, ice. Now I'm going to say a group of words. Tell me which 2 words rhyme. So I'll give you 3 seconds. Lace, late, pace. 3, 2, 1. Lace and pace rhyme because they end with ace. Cane, page, cage. Page and cage rhyme because they end in age. Fudge, judge, junk. Fudge and judge rhyme because they both end in udge. Last one, scent, lint, lent. That one's tricky. 3. It would be scent and lent because they both end in ent. Okay, here's a review with our super E and I. 3, 2, 1, like. 3, 2, 1, bite. 3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1, shine. 3, 2, 1, while. 3, 2, 1, side. 3, 2, 1, mile. 3, 2, 1, pipe. 3, 2, 1, wise. 3, 2, 1, hide. Okay, let's look at what we're working on today. Okay, this is the Sun card, and generally the Sun card starts with an S, but once in a while we have this combination, CE, and I like to call this combination Sneaky C because Sneaky C wants to be an S. So when CE are together, it says S because it's sneaky. So this would be ice and scent. Cent, like pennies or nickels or cents. Okay, these 2 are very important as well. This is the jump rope card. It says J. But these 2 are what we're working on today. Even though they say GE and DGE, they still say J, as in gem, that's gem, gist, J, and edge. Oh, there's a gist. Okay, so let's look at some of these. Here we go. Let's read these together. Remember sneaky C. Mice. Ice. Sneaky C. Spice. Okay? Now remember, this is J. When GE go together, it's J. Gem. Word? Gem. J. GE says J. Stage. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Lodge. Word? Lodge. Okay, let's look at some of these. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. Sp. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. Sm. 3, 2, 1. Sh. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. S. Okay, let's do some of these together. A. S. Word? Face. Lace. Sneaky C. Lace. Ice. Word? Nice. Edge. Remember, DGE is J. Edge. Oh, that's neat. See how it goes like this. So, and word? Scent. Sneaky C. Space. Okay, I'll give you a try. Word? Slice. Now, if you said slike, you're very close, but sneaky C wants to be an S, so it'd be slice. Let's do this one together. Ace. Word? Race. Oh, raced. It's in the past. Okay, remember GE says J. Jam. Word? Jam. Okay, your turn. Blend. Word? Chance. Together, pull. Ace. Word? Place. Your turn. Word? Cage. Okay, so if you said keg, that wouldn't be right because GE says J. Okay, this time it's your turn. Remember, GE says J. 3, 2, 1. Age. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Age. 3, 2, 1. Wage. See? 3, 2, 1. Ice. So we have our Super E and we have Sneaky C. 3, 2, 1. Rice. 3, 2, 1. Sell. 3, 2, 1. Sell. So this is like I'm going to sell food. This is like I have a cell phone. So they're called homophones. They sound the same, but they mean something different. 3, 2, 1. Bike. 3, 2, 1. Smile. 3, 2, 1. Kite. 3, 2, 1. Make. 3, 2, 1. Shake. 3, 2, 1. Can't. Okay, here we go. Let's read this sentence. Can mice dance? So CE, we have CE is Sneaky C. We have our capital, and we have this time a question we don't know. Can mice dance? Okay, let's look at our next one. Lance swam to the bridge. Remember, DGE says J, J. So we have our capital and our end mark. Okay, let's look at our last sentence. The nice judge is on stage with a prize. Okay, so we have our capital, we have an end mark, so I'm just telling you something. We have J, Sneaky C, S, J. That's about it. Okay, here are our high frequency words. This is the word any. Read the word with me. Any. Any is spelled A-N-Y. Spell it with me. A-N-Y. Let's write it in the air. A-N-Y. Do you have any time to play? This is the word from. Read the word with me. From. The word from is spelled F-R-O-M. Spell the word with me. F-R-O-M. The cake came from... Oh, let's write in here. F-R-O-M. The cake came from the shop. This is the word happy. Read the word with me. Happy. The word happy is spelled H-A-P-P-Y. Spell the word with me. H-A-P-P-Y. Let's write it in the air. H-A-P-P-Y. The dog is happy when I pet his face. This is the word once. Read the word with me. Once. The word once is spelled O-N-C-E. Spell the word with me. O-N-C-E. Let's write it in the air. O-N-C-E. Once I ran a mile. This is the word so. Read the word with me. So. The word so is spelled S-O. Spell the word with me. S-O. Let's write it in the air. S-O. It is hot, so I will play inside. This is the word upon. Read the word with me. Upon. The word upon is spelled U-P-O-N. Spell the word with me. U-P-O-N. Let's write it in the air. U-P-O-N. Once upon a time, a king had a magic stone. Okay, here's our story for today. Let's go ahead and read it together. A badge. Remember, DGE says J. Here are some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Want. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Picture. 3, 2, 1. Said. 3, 2, 1, you. 3, 2, 1, it. 3, 2, 1, is. 3, 2, 1, for. 3, 2, 1, her. 3, 2, 1, who. 3, 2, 1, both. Okay, one second, I don't know. Okay, let's finish this. Let's look for our patterns. There's j, s, j, j, s, s. Okay, let's read this together. Midge, that's a name. Midge and Grace want a badge. Midge will make a pink dress. So here's Midge. Grace will make a nice picture. So she's making a picture. Okay, let's scoot. It won't let me move the screen, so let's just finish. Grace nudged Midge and said, I bet you will get a badge. It is a nice dress. There's my j, s, j, s, s. Okay, here we go. Midge and Grace left for a bit. Midge went to unpack lace from Mom's trunk. Grace went to get thread to refill her kit. So she's sewing. Okay, let's look. S, j, j, j. It is pretty, Grace, said Midge. I bet you will get a huge badge. S, j, 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 s. Okay, here we go. Miss Rice will judge. Who will get a badge? Will it be Midge or Grace? Let's look for our pattern. We see s and j. You both did a fine job, said Miss Rice. You will both get a badge. Okay, so let's talk about this. Remember that a verb is an action word? A past tense verb tells about an action that already happened. So this sentence says, yesterday Jen danced on the stage. Danced is a verb. Many past tense verbs end with ed. Max will fix the fence on Monday. Adding the verb will before the action fix shows that something will happen in the future. So ed means it's in the past and will means it's in the future. So let's read these. I pick up the slice of bread. So that's happening right now. How can I put it in the past? What am I doing? You're picking, right? So if I wanted it to be in the past, I would say I picked, ed. But if I wanted it to be in the future, I'd say I will pick. That's in the future. I haven't done it yet. Okay, let's look at one more for today. I munch on the sandwich. So munch is what I'm doing. If I'm doing it in the past, if I did it in the past, it'd be I munched. Hold on one second. Munched on the sandwich. Or if it's the future, I would say I will munch on the sandwich. Okay? So we'll talk more about that tomorrow. Bye, everyone.